A cheerful welcome to all. Today, let's begin our journey to the vibrant world of preschoolers' growth and development. Growth and development, they are related terms but have often different concepts. Growth refers to the measurable quantity, for example, increase in size, weight, height, and amount. Whereas development, which is a non-measurable or often difficultly measurable quantity, for example, increase in function or alteration in functions or capacity of a child. Now, imagine a child tying his shoelaces for the first time or asking endless why or proudly showing you scribbled word. These little movements are actually a giant milestone for preschoolers' child. Thus, preschoolers, which defines the age group of 3 to 6 years, is a heart of childhood where brain grows rapidly and habits form and the personalities shine. Now, further, my group member Srijal will tell you about the milestones of preschoolers.
Thank you, sir. Now I am going to tell about the developmental milestones in preschooler child. So starting with the 3-year child, physical development. Physical development is relatively slow. Average weight is 14 kg and the height is 93 cm. Then motor development include gross motor development. The child walks up a stair using alternate feet and rides a tricycle. Gross motor development done. Fine motor development includes drill tar of 9 to 10 cubes and copies a circle. After that, cognitive development includes the child is able to follow directional commands. Then language development, the child asks many questions and names body parts. After that, moving on towards the 4-year child. Physical development, average weight is 16 kg. And after that, motor development includes gross motor. The child start walking down the stairs using alternate feet, and fine motor development includes the child copies a square. After that, cognitive development includes the child obeys commands due to parents' fear, and the language development includes questioning is at its peak. Then moving on towards the 5-year child. Physical development. The weight is approximately 18 kg and the height is half that of adult height. Now motor development. Gross motor development include the child catches and throws a ball well, and fine motor development includes tie shoelaces. And after that, cognitive development includes the child obeys commands, and then language development includes the child uses sentence of 4 to 6 words using all parts of speech. And at last, moving on towards the 6-year child, the physical development includes average weight is 20 kg and the child start losing deciduous teeth and first permanent teeth erupts. And then moving on towards the motor development, gross motor includes rides bicycle, runs, climbs, hops and swings well. And after that, fine motor includes drawing. Then cognitive development, the child obeys commands and has a sense of humor. And then psychosocial development, jealous of siblings is present and have a bossy attitude. Thank you. Further now, my batchmate Swastika will explain about the model.
Good morning, everyone. So today we have prepared 3 base projects. First defines gross motor. So gross motor skills are those skills where the child achieves motor mastery by using its large muscle, which helps in balance, movement and stability. So at 3 years, the child moves upstairs by using his alternate leg pattern with the help of rail or any support. Now moving to 4 years, here he achieves a milestone. He moves downstairs from stairs by using alternate leg pattern or reciprocal, but this time he doesn't need any rail or any support. Now at 5 years, he could stand at 1 foot for 9 to 10 seconds and balance himself, which shows a significant balancing achievement. Now at 6 years, the child could balance himself. Through this age, the gross motor skills are very highly mature. The child could skip, hop and maintain its stability and movement. So we have depicted it through a staircase model or ladder model, which shows that developmental milestones are step-by-step progression in which we have to climb one stair for achieving to the another one. Now we will move to our next project, that is fine motor developmental milestone, for which we have prepared Ferry wheels. So here Ferry wheel is divided into 4 segments depicting age 3, age 4, age 5 and age 6. Fine motor skills are skills that coordinate small muscle with cognitive skills, which is used in our day-to-day daily activity of life and learning. So at 3 years, the child could build tower. He could show coordination and dexterity to stack 9 to 10 building blocks through a tower, which shows coordination. Now, at 4 years, the child could copy a square. He would look through any shape and then he would try to replicate it by using his visual integration. Now, at 5 years, the child could tie a shoelace, which is a complex self-help learning activity in which he has to show bilateral coordination, in which he has to show the coordination between his both hands by using memory. Now, at 6 years, the child could draw. In this, drawing isn't just scribbling. The drawing would become representational. Now, Suraj will tell you about developmental delays in developmental milestone.
Developmental delays that condition when child does not affected with language, cognitive problem, thinking problem, which time to expect period, types of delay development milestone, motor delay development, cognitive delay development, motor delay development, which are usually seen in about 2 to 3 year children, which sitting problem and walking problem, and motor delay cognitive delay development, which are usually seen about 3 to 5 year children age group, which are affected to the thinking and learning problem.
Since we are focusing on the preschooler, we need to learn like they learn. So through play and hands-on activity, we turn the learning process into the game, for which we make a circuit board for the matching of milestones with the skills of their preschoolers. Then now Saskia will tell you.
So, it's our assessment board, which we have named it Know Your Knowledge.
Calculators to please come
Forward,
and
see
the working.
So, in this Know Your Knowledge, we have sequence questions by representing particular age group milestone, and these are their achievements or skills that they pursue. Like when we touch a nib of the pen in one question, whatever we want, like we have done 3-year physical development. Now I will ask Sapna to tell me that what achievement the child would achieve.
If I am putting it on the right one, then only the light will be blown. So here no light is seen. This was the milestone.
Let's suppose that at 3 years physical development will be alternate step upstairs. Now imagine at 4th year physical development. So these are all the wrong answers. Whenever you will put it on the right answer, it will blink. So coming to our conclusion part, we have created a staircase model which shows step-by-step progression. Our wheel isn't static; it's movable, which says that development is a cycle of development in which one step leads to the another one. So through our model, we have represented step-by-step growth of 3 to 6 years age of child. As a nurse and educator, it's our responsibility to fulfill each child maximum achievement they could achieve. Thank you, everyone.
If the child is not